Hey guys, Nefri here. So today I'm going to be doing another Great Rift run. I haven't been doing a lot of Great Rift lately. Been doing it a few times here and there, but I was mostly focusing on Arena and was able to get King God. I'm still on phase 7, still working my way to going to phase 15. I've noticed that it's been a lot more difficult, and so yeah, how I'm gonna be doing my Great Rift runs, I'm basically gonna try to choose the best altar that I think is good for me during my current run. I'm not gonna try to aim for a certain altar. I'm just gonna feel for whatever is best at the time. So let's get to it. So I think I'm gonna go with a good damage carry. Let's go with Tia. Alright, so if you're new to my series, basically what I'm going to do is do my full playthrough, but if you don't want to see the first few rounds, then you can go ahead to skip to floor 4, and I'll basically be explaining what I have, what I'm trying to go for, and what I hope to achieve. And so yeah, so go ahead and skip if you want, but if you're not, then stick around. Let's go. As you for the newcomers here, I usually just try to level up my Tia. Okay, give her avoid risk. Basically what I'm going to do is level up her because she's going to be my main damage carry. And plus, like, usually I try to have my first initial hero that I choose get a lot of the XP, because since she's the only one, she's receiving all the XP. The more heroes you get, the EXP gets evenly distributed to everyone else. So that's why I try to focus on leveling up my first hero. And the reason why I do avoid risk instead of the breeze is because I want her abilities to proc on her spellcast, so that is why. I'll grab Penetrating Spear because it has the blood and also gives me extra range and damage. So this is a top quality relic that you want to aim for. Ooh, Blade Crown. Yep, grabbing that for sure. CC immunity is always great. Let's see. Let's grab a Taesun for a tank. He's possibly also going to be really good with HP. Really good with the armors now, because then right now the Great Rift caps the protection based on max HP, and since armor gives more max HP, it's gonna basically give him more protection and more damage, so that's really good. Alright, let's grab the last hero here. Let's grab a Mel. He's gonna be my secondary damage carry. Ooh, Elixir Respite 2. Yeah, let's grab that. Relic upgrade. Righty. Let's go up. Very nice. Alright, let's grab a hero. Let's grab an Aramis. It's either going to be a Blacksmith route, Blacksmith and Giant route, and Blood. Seems like it. Let's grab Executioner. Let's get that an upgrade. Relic upgrade. Aslan. Okay. Don't need to worry about Perpetual Void. Let's grab these long swords. And let's get to the elite boss. Relic upgrade. Very nice. Easy enough. Let's grab the sword and then this. Nice. Since I'm not going the hero route, I'm gonna keep my team under 7. That's like the decent number for decent XP for heroes and decent levels. So I think that's a good balance. Let's grab that. I'm gonna put that on Tia now. Got armor. Put that on you. Okay, do I want Altar of Giants or Blacksmith? Let's go Blacksmith. Alright. Now I get this. Alright. What bonus do I get? Put in base stats and plus 20% on normal attack. Equipment polishing tool. Very nice, chain and lightning. Anvil. Base stats and additional effects stacks equipment. Plus 16% or executioner. I think I'm gonna executioner. Grab that bow, and that executioner. Do that, and I'm gonna give him that. Let's see. All right. I need a little bit of attack speed, so I'm gonna give her that. And now I can go to floor 3. It's a very small team thus far. Let's grab Daniel. Okay, give him self-recovery. Be a little bit of a tank. Oh yeah, so now I'm at floor 4. So basically this is what I have now. I have Tia as my main damage carry. I have Executioner on and King God Sword with Chain of Lightning. And then I have Aravis as my secondary and my Mel as my third person for damage. I'm still looking for a lot of bows so that they can attack faster. I went the Blacksmith route and going to be doing a little bit more damage. Plus with the combo of Giant, I have Altar of Blood. I think this is enough blood because now I have 20% HP drain on everybody else and they are surviving longer, and have Blade Crown for my Tia. So I think this is like the perfect setup that I want for my altars at least. And yeah, I think I might add one more hero. I'm not sure who yet, but this is, I think, practically the team. So yeah. Select. Okay, cool. Give that to him. Level her up. Attacking really slow. Anvil. Okay, let's get that. I could probably put this on him. Now these are much better. So yeah, that's pretty good. I could put it on her too. But I think there's also better a better rune for her. So Mara, nah, get the King Bow. I need that. Let's take a detour. Everybody take 20%. Wait, okay. King's Sword. I'll wait to put that on him. I might get a hammer. And let's have everybody. Nice. Got that too. Ultimate Smelting. Wow, I got that pretty quickly. I also have a King God Sword. But I can get that later. So Ultimate Smelting, guess I put that on him. So basically what this does, it creates a clone of the target, and then basically if I have like multi-hit or like Chain Lightning, it will do extra damage to it. So basically doing twice as much damage to the target, and it works on bosses. So it's a pretty good one to pick up. It's like the it's the special Blacksmith rune. Alright. Is there anything else I can buy from here? Do I want these kings? Do you want these staves? Let's pick up the staves. And let's see, wait for the hammers to come around. That should be fine. My Tia can't get CC. Oh, what the? Okay, I spoke too soon. Let's just do that. Wow, I was not expecting that. Ugh, wasted 10 gems. So sad. Okay. Let's grab that. Next floor. Grab a long sword. I don't know if I want to do that yet. Yeah, let's grab somebody. Grab an Operon. And let's grab that. Give that to him. Sword. More chain lightning. Your bow. Okay. So I can just complete that. Yeah, that's fine. Yep. Also fine. Oh, I could have. Damn it! I could have changed it. Oh, I'm so slow. Okay. Let's grab this god bow. Start putting on her now too. Okay, to the floor 5 boss. It is a mage. Let's do bombardment. Give that to her. Silver. We're worth 100. I guess I could take that. Let's give that to him, I guess. Hopefully the greed item gives me +1 attack. That's what I'm also looking for. Relatively forged. Let's grab an armor. Yes, you're back. Get that and that. Fresh. Okay, let's give her that. Definitely want to change that rune converter or relic converter. Yes, rune converter. This, I don't think that's useful. Anvil. Sure. If I find more staves, I'll put it on Alperon. No. Arson's not good. Let's do a little gambling here. The sword stays, but I'm gonna... No. Yes. That's good. Nice, 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 nice. Shield of Greed. Okay, guess that's okay. It's not what I want. I wish this would work on that, but it doesn't, so... Let's just give it to... her. Yikes. Good thing I have secondaries. I'm full now. Let's do this. This. Yeah, let's... I want attack speed actually. Fuck. This needs to happen. Maybe I need to just do breeze now instead of void risk. See if that helps. Okay. Let's just give him more armor. I need more attack speed on her. She's too slow. I wish I had a +1 attack on her. What stone? Put it on him, I guess. Ugh. This should be enough. All right. All right. I really need to. Oh, yep. Give you that. And I need to put that on Tia as quickly as possible. Come on, where's the shop? Where's the shop? Where's the shop? No, where's the shop? Come on, where's the shop? Nice, there's a shop. Give me that. Equipment remover. Alright, it's on her. Sword on her. Well, put this on her and the 75% damage to other allies. And get this to her. And then... Now, why did I get rid of Giant? I feel like it's not helping me that much right now. Oh, I think because I have +1 attack now, I should be okay. Power. Let's give her some more strength. Let's see, equipment converter. Yeah. Let's see if I can boost Aramis. Actually, let's try. Yeah. +1 attack count. Bombardment, nice. Some more damage. Oberon is useless right now. Maybe it'll be less useless. Okay. Armor. Let's get that to her. And let's sell some things. Yeah, I don't need those. Let's grab this sword. And him. Alright. Let's go to the back line. Look at Tia melt now with that +1 attack count. Thank goodness. Let's get living sword. And let's get a whetstone. I'll put that on her and him. Reform them. So now like that. Alright. I'm gonna put Alperon a bit more back again. Let's get King Staff. Let's see if I can get armor. Armor? No, okay. Put you more back. Okay, good. Fuck. Did not mean to do that, but okay. Screw it. I should be fine, right? Yeah. Take that off. Boom converter, what can I convert? Nothing, I guess. Let's go past it for now. Getting too much protection, so like Tia is just like living, basically healing herself without healing herself. Should be fine. All right. I think that's it. I'll just go to the final boss. Alright, so we are at the final boss, and Blacksmith Tia always proving to show that she is very strong. Blacksmith Tia. But yeah, here we go. Oh, look at that damage. It's crazy. Holy moly. That's a lot of achievements done. Okay, so yeah, that is phase 7 of the Great Rift. I was able to clear it with Blacksmith Tia. Still proven to be very strong, you know, in these new updates and everything. But yeah, hope you liked the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and tune in to my next phase challenge. All right, thanks. See ya.